Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Which of the following statements is true? We have to find out. So let's check the options separately. So if we look into the first option A, the fraction given is 6 by minus 6 and the second fraction is minus 36 by 36. So let us see whether this inequality is correct or not. So minus 6 by 6 can be written as minus 1 and minus 36 by 36 can be written as minus 1. We can see minus 1 is equal to minus 1. It is not less than. Therefore, this statement is false. Now, let's check the second option B. That is 7 by minus 7 is greater than minus 49 by 49. So, 7 by minus 7 can be written as minus 1. And greater than sign minus 49 by 49. 49 gets cancelled and we are remaining with minus 1. Again minus 1 is not greater than minus 1, whether it is equal. Therefore this statement is also false. So coming to the third option C, 5 by minus 4 is greater than 5 by minus 5. So 5 by minus 4 is minus 1.25 if we convert it into decimal. And 5 by minus 5 is again minus 1. Then here we can see that minus 1.25 is less than minus 1 because it comes in the number line in the left side. So this is also false. Now checking the last option D, that is 5 by minus 5 is equal to minus 25 by 25. So if we simplify it, 5 gets cancelled. So minus 1 is equal to, again 25 is cancelled. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Definitely this statement is true. So we can say this is true. And we have to find out the statement that is true. So D is the answer. Therefore we can say that the answer is option D.